Across New Mexico, courts remain open. We work diligently to protect the health and safety of every person entering a courthouse. Expanded cleaning occurs throughout the day in courtrooms, jury assembly areas, lobbies, restrooms, offices, and particularly high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, elevators, and countertops. Certified cleaning products are used to disinfect and sanitize. When entering a courthouse, each person undergoes temperature checks and health screening questions. Masks are required for everyone. Safe physical distancing is strictly enforced for proper spacing among people. In all New Mexico courts, our highest priority is protecting the health and well-being of citizens like you who ensure our American justice system works.